To create the perfect brow, we first need to understand the ideal dimensions. The right eyebrow can lift and brighten your appearance and really give a youthful look. From the side of the nose to the inner corner of the eye is where the brow should start. From the side of the nose to the outer edge of the pupils is where the arch should be. From the side of the nose to the outer corner of the eye is where the brows should finish. First, take the brow brush and brush the hair upwards and across. This will help you see the natural shape of your brow and clean them up before filling in. I like to use a flat angled brush and some matte brown eyeshadow, as this creates the most natural looking soft brow. I recommend to choose a colour within 2 shades of your client's brow colour. Using light feathery strokes in the direction of their natural hair, begin to fill in any invisible gaps. Now be really careful not to go too dark with the colour, so starting off light and building up if necessary. Next up, use a concealer or highlighter shade under the brow for instant lift and definition. Take some concealer on a flat brush and conceal any uneven lines above or below the brows. If you prefer to keep it more natural, skip this step and use a cotton bud to clean up any mistakes. After this step, the brows should look clean and well groomed.